baby dolls! Hello, it's me, Stardal Queen, and I love to talk about beauty, fashion, travel, fun, and lifestyle. And if you're also interested with these things, maybe we can be friends. So please do subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the tiny bell down there so that when I make another vlogs for you, you will be updated. For today, I am going to do another unboxing series, which I always love to do in this channel. I am going to introduce a fashion clothing brand from Japan. Okay, alright, and now for this introduction, let's begin! This clothing brand is called Grail in Japanese, and you can also call it all in capital letters GRL. What I love about this clothing brand, their designs are very competitive in fashions. Unfortunately, I couldn't find shops near me, but it's not a problem because they have their online shops, and from there I can buy things that I want from GRL. One more thing that I love about this shop, every time that the season is about to change, their price is also going down into sale up to 80% off. So that makes us happy. Yes, and speaking of happy, they also sell a happy bag, 5 items. It depends on the price. There are 10 items, 12 items, I am not so sure. A lot of items that you can buy in one box for a very cheaper price. So that is what I am going to unbox for today. I just bought a happy bag from GRL, and let's see how much everything costs and how much I saved from it. So let's start! Here's my lucky bag, or also called as happy bag. They call it happy bag because I really wish that everything that comes from it will make us happy. So don't be very sure about being happy from this happy bag, because just like from lucky bags, you will also be unlucky because we don't know what's inside. So some lucky bags that I purchased, you can see what's inside and you can choose from there. It's kind of surprising and scary, excited, mixed emotions about this bag. Let's see if this is really a happy bag. And before I open this box, I forgot to tell that this top that I've been wearing, this is also from GRL. So I will put here the price, and I bought it from sale. And this is a turtleneck. I love the colors. This is the first time that I've got a turtleneck with this color, and it's like an avocado. The only downfall of these tops, the thread is, I can see some thread is coming out, but I love it. I love because this is so smooth. I love the color. I love everything about it. Let's begin. Let's unbox this one. Hey, there it goes. I will randomly choose and go big. Yes, it's a sweater. So here's the design. Okay. Later, let's see and let's try all of the item that I will get from here. So watch out later, and let's see how I can give a justification from all of these items. Oh, help me. Oh, not this one. Huh? Oh, whoa. I think I like this one, but I don't know. Let's open this. Wow! Hala! Ang ganda niya! I love it! I love this. This is very me. This is so me, I think. So I got one that I really love, and this is it. I love the color, I love the design. So recently I love the design that pop out into my shoulder and I love the colors. This is kind of mocha, I think, and I love that it is so very easy to coordinate. And yes, later let's see how I am going to try this one, and let's get another one. What is this? Okay, let's see. Next one, it's black, and I think I love it. Oh. Okay, so here's mine, the one that I have on my closet. So they are looking the same, but there is a difference. Like this has a ruffle sleeve. Color of this one from Grail, it's nude. It's kinda light beige. Here is white. So I love it. I did it! Oh, what is this? I think this is a long skirt. Hey. Oh, Grail, you're making me happy. Thank you so much. Just like what I said here. And just fits so well. I love it. It has a dotted design. It's garterized. Gusot-gusot thing in here. And Cheryl! No, grabe. Parang birthday ko talaga. Parang I think this is the last. No more. So please, you're the last. Be good to me, huh? Wow, I think this is also skirt. From the color itself, I just love it. This is so me. I feel like Cheryl knows my personality. Here, okay. So, yes, there. How about that? Yeah, I love the colors. I love this. This is the soft lace and the see-through. Siya, I love naman. Uy, everything is so me. Gerald knows me? Why? So this happy bag that I chose is a set of 5 items for the total cost of 1,999 yen, which means each only cost 400 yen, almost 400 yen, which is a very good deal and very cheap. If you will compare to this original price, it's worth a try because maybe you will be lucky. Just like me. So yes, now let's try it on and let's see how it looks like when we wear it. So yes, let's get it. all for my vlog today. I hope that you enjoy my unboxing and try on vlog. And if you did like it, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And please stay safe, stay healthy, and also don't forget to stay pretty. See you again, baby dolls.